Hello and welcome to English with Mr. E. We're going to master grammar, listening, and speaking together.
It's a bit boring, but it's necessary.
The day is ending. Emma, how do you spend your night?
I like to sit on the sofa and read a book.
Practice. I read a book before bed.
I also check my social media for a few minutes.
Repeat. I check my phone.
But, Mr. E, scientists say we should not use phones before sleep.
That is true. It's better to relax. I sometimes meditate.
Practice. I meditate for 5 minutes.
At 10:30 p.m., I get ready for bed.
I brush my teeth again.
I put on my pajamas.
Repeat. I put on my pajamas.
I set my alarm for the next morning.
Repeat. I set my alarm.
I turn off the lights.
I get into bed and fall asleep quickly.
Practice. I go to sleep at 11 p.m.
I go to sleep at 11 p.m.
But wait, what about Saturdays and Sundays?
Oh, the weekends are different.
On Saturday, I don't wake up early.
I sleep in.
Practice. I sleep in on weekends.
I go to the supermarket to buy groceries.
Repeat. I go grocery shopping.
I meet my friends at a park or a mall.
Practice. I hang out with my friends.
On Sunday, I clean my house. I do the laundry.
Practice. I do the laundry.
And I prepare for the next week.
Now, it's time for a quick review. I will say a sentence and Emma will say it slowly. You should say it with Emma.
Let's do it.
I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I have breakfast at home.
I have breakfast at home.
I go to work by bus.
I go to work by bus.
I start work at 9.
I start work at 9.
I have lunch at 1.
I have lunch at 1.
I finish my work at 5.
I finish my work at 5.
I cook dinner every night.
I cook dinner every night.
I watch TV in the evening.
I watch TV in the evening.
I go to bed at 11.
I go to bed at 11.
Emma, I see many students making mistakes when talking about their routine.
Like what, Mr. E?
Many say, I go to bed at 11 p.m. clock.
Oh, that's wrong. You should say 11 o'clock or just 11 p.m.
Correct. Don't mix them.
Another mistake is I do a shower.
Yes, the correct way is I take a shower or I have a shower.
Also, remember the S for he or she.
Right. I wake up, but he wakes up.
She gets up, he goes to work.
This is very important for grammar.
Wow, Mr. E, we covered so much today.
We did. I hope our students at English with Mr. E found this helpful.
Learning English is a journey. Don't rush.
Practice these sentences every day. Talk to yourself in the mirror.
If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe to English with Mr. E for more easy lessons.
We want to hear from you. What time do you wake up? Write it in the comments.
I will reply to as many comments as I can.
Thank you for staying with us until the end.
You are doing a great job. Keep practicing.
See you in our next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Stop! Are you still struggling to speak English fluently?
Hello, everyone. I am Mr. E, and welcome to our channel, English with Mr. E.
Today, we have a very special lesson for you. We are going to learn how to describe your entire day in English.
That's right, Emma. Many students know words, but they cannot make sentences about their daily life.
If you watch this video until the end, you will be able to talk about your morning, afternoon, and night effortlessly.
We will speak slowly and clearly. This is a perfect practice for beginners.
So grab a notebook and let's start this journey together with English with Mr. E.
Are you ready, Emma?
I am ready, Mr. E. Let's go.
Emma, let's start with the very beginning of the day, the moment we open our eyes.
Great. The first phrase is wake up.
Exactly. Repeat after me. I wake up at 6 a.m.
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Now you try. Say it out loud. I wake up at 6 a.m.
Mr. E, what is the difference between wake up and get up?
Good question. Wake up means you stop sleeping. Get up means you actually leave the bed.
Oh, I see. So I can say, I wake up at 6, but I get up at 6:15.
Perfect. Let's practice that. Repeat after us. I get up at 6:15.
I get up at 6:15.
After I get up, I go to the bathroom.
I wash my face.
Repeat. I wash my face.
I brush my teeth.
Repeat. I brush my teeth.
I take a cold shower. It makes me feel fresh.
I prefer a warm shower. Let's practice. I take a shower.
I take a shower.
Then I dry my hair with a towel.
I dry my hair.
Now let's talk about clothes. Emma, what do you say?
I say, I get dressed.
Let's repeat together. I get dressed.
I put on my favorite shirt.
I comb my hair.
Repeat, I comb my hair.
Looking good, Emma. Now it's time for the most important meal.
Breakfast. I love breakfast.
I have breakfast at 8 a.m.
Repeat, I have breakfast at 8 a.m.
What do you eat, Emma?
I eat cereal and fruit. I drink orange juice.
I eat eggs and toast. I drink black coffee.
Let's practice. I drink coffee in the morning.
I drink coffee in the morning. Now we are ready to leave the house.
I grab my bag and my keys.
I leave the house at 8:30 a.m.
Repeat, I leave the house at 8:30 a.m.
How do you go to work, Emma?
I go by bus. I wait at the bus stop.
Practice this. I catch the bus.
I catch the bus.
I go by car. I drive to my office.
Practice this. I drive my car to work.
What about people who walk?
They can say, I walk to work. It's good exercise.
Repeat. I walk to work.
It takes me 20 minutes to get there.
Repeat. It takes me 20 minutes.
We are at work now. Mr. E, what is your first task?
I arrive at work at 9 a.m.
Repeat. I arrive at work at 9 a.m.
I sit at my desk and turn on my computer.
Repeat. I turn on my computer.
Then I check my emails.
Repeat. I check my emails.
I have a lot of emails every day.
Me too. After that, I start my first meeting.
Practice this sentence. I attend a meeting at 10 a.m.
I attend a meeting at 10 a.m.
I talk to my boss and my colleagues.
Practice. I talk to my colleagues.
I work on my projects. I am very busy.
At 1 p.m., it is time for a break.
Yes, lunch break.
I have lunch with my coworkers.
Repeat. I have lunch at 1 p.m.
Sometimes I go to a cafe, sometimes I bring my own food.
After lunch, I feel a bit tired, so I drink another coffee.
You love coffee, Mr. E.
Yes, I do. Then I continue working until 5 p.m.
Repeat. I finish work at 5 p.m.
I pack my bag and leave the office.
The sun is going down. We are going back home.
I arrive home at 6 p.m.
Repeat. I arrive home at 6 p.m.
The first thing I do is take off my shoes.
I change into comfortable clothes.
Practice. I change my clothes.
I feel so relaxed now.
I go to the kitchen to prepare dinner.
Mr. E, do you cook?
Yes, I like cooking pasta.
Practice. I cook dinner for my family.
I cook dinner for my family.
While the food is cooking, I watch the news on TV.
Repeat. I watch the news.
Or I listen to music.
Repeat. I listen to music. At 8 p.m., we eat dinner together.
Practice. I have dinner at 8 p.m.
After dinner, I wash the dishes.
Repeat. I wash the dishes.